Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get a Spotify subscription. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, just go ahead and open up the Spotify app, or it could be on your web browser. Just go ahead and find Premium. Okay. If you're using a web browser, you'll be able to see Premium at the top or at the top right. Just tap or click on it. All right, wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here, you can now go ahead and tap on try 3 months for $149 or $3. Okay, just tap on this option, and then it will ask you to give your payment method. You can go ahead and use Spotify payment or Google Play if you're currently connected to your Android device. Okay, if you're using an iOS, you can go ahead and tap on Apple Pay. Okay, let's say, for example, I'm just going to use Google Play, and whatever payment method that is tied to your Gmail account will be used in here. Okay, just tap on continue with Google Play, and after that, follow the simple prompts, and once done, you're good to go. But if you want to save a bit of money, you can go ahead and use the link below. Right here, just go to the comment section, tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on this link to get a Spotify Premium for cheaps. All right. Now, once you're on the website, just go ahead and scroll down until you find this in Spotify. Like so, as you can see here, for $2.42 per month, you can get Spotify Premium. Okay, just tap on purchase now. And if you want to save more, don't worry, I have a promo code for you. Now you can go ahead and select either 6 months or 12 months. All right, the price will change right here. And then go ahead and tap on have a promo code or coupon. Tap on it and just enter the promo code GUMMY, G-U-M-Y. All right. Once that's done, just hit on apply and you'll save a bit more. So once that's done, if you're happy with it, just continue with the payment process. And after that, you're good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.